Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are covering the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant dream, confined to the world of science fiction. It is rapidly transforming our world, revolutionizing industries, and reshaping the very fabric of our lives. One of the most exciting and transformative branches of artificial intelligence is generative AI. This technology has the power to create, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of human imagination. We are living in a time of unprecedented opportunity. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era, an era where machines can not only perform tasks, but also generate original content. From stunning works of art to life-saving medical discoveries, generative AI is poised to unleash a wave of innovation and creativity unlike anything we've ever seen before. In essence, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on creation. Unlike traditional AI systems, which are designed to analyze data and make predictions, generative AI systems are trained to generate new data that resembles the data they were trained on. Imagine a student learning from a master painter. The student observes the techniques, the brushstrokes, and the use of color. Over time, the student develops their own style, inspired by the master but unique. Generative AI works in a similar way. It learns from vast data sets of text, images, music, or other types of data. By identifying patterns and relationships in this data, it can then generate new content that reflects those patterns. This could be anything from writing a poem to composing a symphony, from designing a new logo to generating a photorealistic image of a person who doesn't exist. The key to generative AI's creative prowess lies in its learning process. Most generative AI models are built using a technique called deep learning. Deep learning algorithms are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They use artificial neural networks, which are complex networks of interconnected nodes, to process information. These networks are trained on massive datasets using a process called supervised learning. During training, the model is fed input data and a corresponding output. For example, a model designed to generate text might be fed pairs of sentences and their translations. The model learns to associate the input with the output by adjusting the weights of the connections between the nodes in its network. Over time, the model becomes increasingly accurate at generating the desired output. It learns to identify subtle patterns and relationships in the data, allowing it to generate new content that is both original and relevant. The potential applications of generative AI are vast and varied. In education, it can be used to create personalized learning experiences, tailoring educational content to the individual needs of each student. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized tutor, available 24 hours a day to guide them in their studies. In the realm of art, generative AI is already pushing the boundaries of creativity. Artists are using these tools to generate new forms of expression, exploring novel aesthetics and blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. From AI-generated paintings selling for millions of dollars at auction to algorithms composing hauntingly beautiful music, generative AI is transforming the art world as we know it. In the business world, generative AI is being used to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. Marketing teams are using it to generate targeted advertising campaigns, while customer service departments are using it to power chatbots that can provide instant support to customers. On the ethical frontier, navigating the challenges of generative AI. Like any transformative technology, generative AI brings with it a new set of ethical considerations. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for misinformation. Generative AI can be used to create incredibly realistic fake text, images, and videos. This raises concerns about the spread of propaganda, the erosion of trust in traditional media, and the potential for bad actors to manipulate public opinion. Another ethical challenge is the issue of copyright infringement. Who owns the copyright to a work of art created by an artificial intelligence? Is it the programmer who created the AI, the user who provided the input, or the AI itself? These are complex questions with no easy answers, and they are likely to be the subject of much debate in the years to come. Job displacement is another major concern. As generative AI becomes more sophisticated, it has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently done by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest if not managed carefully. The future unfolds generative AI and the transformation of humanity. Despite these challenges, the future of generative AI is bright. This technology has the potential to unlock new levels of human creativity, to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, and to usher in a new era of progress and prosperity. Imagine a world where AI helps us develop new treatments for diseases, combat climate change, and explore the vastness of space. The key to unlocking this potential lies in responsible development. We need to ensure that generative AI is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. This means addressing the ethical challenges head-on, promoting transparency and accountability, and fostering a global dialogue about the future of this technology. A call to responsibility, shaping the future of generative AI. The development and deployment of generative AI is a shared responsibility. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public all have a role to play in shaping the future of this technology. We need to work together to establish ethical guidelines to promote responsible innovation and to ensure that generative AI is used for the greater good. Education is essential. We need to educate the public about the potential benefits and risks of generative AI. We need to equip future generations with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. And we need to foster a culture of critical thinking and digital literacy so that people can make informed decisions about the technologies that are shaping their lives. Conclusion: embracing the generative revolution. The generative revolution is upon us. Generative AI is already transforming the world around us, and its impact will only grow in the years to come. By embracing this technology responsibly, addressing the ethical challenges, and working together to shape its development, we can harness the power of generative AI to create a better future for all. This is a time of great change, but it is also a time of great opportunity. Let us seize this moment and shape the future together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your opinions about AI in the comments. See you in the next one.